sharp jawline, oh so crazy. Fanum attacks with